All right, guys, it's Sunday morning. Miles is coming over. We're gonna go to yoga and slap in the stove. Missed a few things on the video, but we'll try to do some time lapse and get you guys in there today. Had some stuff in the veranda. Here's the stove pipe that goes all the way up, the insulated stuff. And then I've been getting after the painting. Finally got the drywall all done. Had a couple fellows help me with that. Yeah, this is a situation. Just kind of moving some stuff around. And hopefully this guy goes in today. So yeah, I don't know how much I'll get on film, but we'll try our best and see how it goes. So yeah, wish me luck. All right, we're working here. Miles is here. The filming didn't work. We got a hole cut in the ceiling. I thought it was working while Miles has been doing the heavy lifting here. We got a hole cut in the floor. Everything's going well. The stove's been taken apart. That was a bit of a puzzle, but all's well there. Things are an organized mess. Try to get the camera going. This is gonna go up against the ceiling with 3 inches there, sticking out of this hole. I'll try to get the video camera rolling so we actually get some footage. Okay, gotta cut straight. Not bad. think we're good.
Nice.
But it was a good day. So I'm pretty dead today. The place is a mess. Got to clean up and finish some stuff. So let me show you around. Don't mind the mess. We'll get it cleaned up and get it nice in here. Over here we have various stove parts. So kind of like the main housing of the stove here and the different doors and basket and stuff. So got to get that on right away here and start cleaning up. Let's see what else. We got some trim boards here, painting stick. There's some clean laundry here. We got some lights here, some more lights here, some little bits for the stove. This is the stove door opener and that sort of thing. This was inside the stove, so we spent about an hour trying to figure out how to open the stove. Looking for that. But anyway, so the berth is finally down, which is super duper sweet. I've been waiting for that. It's right there. Got to clean that up. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's see here. We got the stove mostly installed, or basically installed. I've got to put the trim piece up there to kind of mask this. Oh, there's a screw sticking out there. I'll have to take that out. We lost a couple things when we dropped a couple things up there. I haven't pulled up any of this flooring yet because I got to put some lights in. We'll see if that happens today or tomorrow. I've got to get these. I've got to get the spot lights. There's two there, and two over there. So that's that. Got some more painting to do, but I don't know if that's happening today. Got one thing on here, but we're gonna get some more done. What else here? What else? Let's go upstairs. This is kind of the view as you walk in the front door. There's a million friggin' boxes, and in the veranda here, it's also a bloody disaster. Got these boxes to take care of. Finally, the pallet's gone. That's gonna be super sweet. We got some stuff out in the lawn. I'll take you outside and show you the roof line. My sweet around town bike there. Let's take you upstairs and we'll see what else we did here. Got some roof parts, some shingles in here. Got this sweet double wall insulated A-vent here. That's looking awesome. Oh yeah, and that's the transition. We made a bit of a mess. I'm gonna have to try to vacuum that stuff out of there. Let's see. Yeah, that stuff out of there. And but it's all good. You know, lots of nice clearance. You only need 1 inch with this A-vent, and we've got more than that. So everything's looking good in the attic here. Oh, there's a level on there. Yeah, another transition here through the floor again. I've got to clean this up a bit. And there's the flashing on the outside. It's galvanized. I might get up there and tape it all off and paint it flat black. But yeah, we cut that hole yesterday for the most part. Part of it was already there because of a vent. Thankfully, there's another vent over there. Got some tools we forgot up here. Anyway, all's well. Clean it up and get on to the finishing steps. There's still lots to do. Still lots to do, but no big deal. The stove is in, which was the main piece, and that's freaking great. So I'll get it all covered over today. Can't take up the flooring until I get the lights in because we got marks on the floor here for the lights. So we'll do that soon. Miles left his laser level so I could have an easier job of it. The berth didn't cause too much damage here, just this little bit, so I'll patch that up. We'll get the rest of the ceiling painted the same color as this, and then we'll probably take a little break for a few months once it's all buttoned up in this room and I get this all covered up. Maybe we'll tackle some more painting and stuff in the winter. But anyway, yeah, it's looking good, and I'm pumped. Thanks, Miles. Hey guys, Just getting going with the first fire here. Still cleaning up after the reno, but more or less done. Gonna start the fire and finish off a little trim painting on the stairs. So yeah, excited for it. It's looking good. And a couple things to do, but nothing major. So let's see how it goes here. So far so good. No pistol. So far so good here. Let's try closing this sucker now. That there. Good. Everything is doing well, looking good. First part of the stove, it's going good. Hey guys, this is the wrap for the Century House project. Let me give you a quick tour. Right now we got the fire on. It's in open mode. Open mode is kind of why I bought it. It's the sweet mode. You kind of have full access to the fire, just like a fireplace, but then you got this cover too if you want to not get smashed by the sparks. That's kind of fun. I got a couple new chairs here, so I've really been enjoying these guys. Watching some YouTube, having some coffee, watching the fire. That's a nice little setup right there. Spinning around here, got the mirror back on the wall. That looks great when you come in, and kind of makes the room feel bigger. Just got a temporary couch here, but that's fine for now. Couple new lights up here. These are working good, and I'm really happy with these pot lights over here. This is kind of the nighttime mode, but they also go into a much brighter setting where they blast a good amount of light down if you need to work or do something. Still got this old couch kicking around. It's working for now, but might get something new in the future. And I cut this old bookshelf up that my dad made, and installed it kind of fittingly in here. Still have to fill these holes in the edge, but it's working pretty good. Let's see if we can turn it on. Oh yeah, that's pretty sweet. So doing this backlighting, which is kind of cool. Got the mirror on the wall. Everything's kind of set back up in here. Just an old coat rack right there. Let's show you where it all started real quick. We'll head up the stairs, and there it is. That's where it all started, taking the chimney down. So happy it's over, happy that's done. That was a bit of work. And now you can come down here and enjoy the fire. So the whole stove spins if you want it to face the door, like you probably saw in the last shot, or just kind of enjoy it from this angle, from the chairs or the couch. So that's a wrap for this time. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully we'll make some cool new YouTubes in the new year, and yeah, wishing everyone the best of luck and health in the new year. Take care.